You know, they say at the top it's only us. You gotta flick the haters off. You see, there's mosquitoes trying to leech off you. You just gotta get them off you. You just gotta get them off you. When you're at the top, they want to leech on you. But you know what? Don't let them leech on you. Don't let them leech on you. Just cover your hair. Keep going. Always enjoy. All right, guys. All right, we got it. Let's do this. Let's go. I like that tie right there. All right, breast cancer awareness.
That's right. Save the boobies, right?
Yeah, why not? Systems are clear. So we're not gonna U-turn right here.